Got two scratchings, 4 and 5. Take note, number 1 is now Vital Lass from the next heat into this one. 3 to go around, ready to go. Light on, 1,000 metres, gates open. Almost a perfect line out, and away fast now is Secret Amore, and it goes to the early lead here. Ahead of Vital Lass, who moves up into second place, and Triple Express is third, and last of the trio as they head off the back straight. Secret Amore in front, and a length away in second, Vital Lass. Not really putting too much pressure on this front runner just yet, but they look like they're starting to get something going now past the 500. And back third is Triple Express in still last spot. So Secret Amore just from Vital Lass, now getting up a bit closer to the front runner, and Triple Express is going to come out 3 deep soon, approaching this home turn. So Secret Amore, Vital Lass, in fact Triple Express goes between the 2 leaders, is coming home strong now in the centre. So still Secret Amore in front, but Triple Express moves up and grabs the front. Looks to be jogging in the centre here as Triple Express goes clear. Vital Lass is trying to go with it the outside. Triple Express now put under pressure. Ahead in front is holding Vital Lass at bay, and Triple Express by a neck. Vital Lass 5 1/4 away at the tail is Secret Amore.